How can a tiny device like this control powerful machines, lights, or even your car starter? That's the magic of relay. In this video I'll show you what a relay is, how it works, and exactly how you can wire it up for your own projects. This is everything we are going to need. Relay, thing we want to power, in this case light bulb, wires to control relay, thick wires to power the light bulb. I'm using a manual switch, wire cutters to remove the isolation, and the power source. This is how you can remove the isolation from wires. Lightly squeeze around the wire and keep changing the place, rotating the wire, but keep it in the same distance from the top, and after a few squeezes start pulling the isolation off, and it should look like this if you did it right. It takes a little bit of practice, but once you master it, it will be fastest way to remove the isolation from wires. A relay is basically an electrically operated switch. Instead of flipping it by hand, it uses a small current, usually from something like an Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or any control circuit, to switch much larger current on or off. Inside there's an electromagnet. When current flows through the coil, it creates magnetic field that pulls a contact, opening or closing the circuit. That means you can control high power devices with a low power signal. I'm using 12 volts 50 watt light bulb and 12 volt 50 amp relay, so this is well in spec, because amps is watts divided by volts, so our bulb only draws 4.58 amps. Here I have wired up the relay to power the 12 volt light bulb. This circuit is for controlling the relay. It is supplied by 12 volts. This is negative and this is positive lead. Positive lead is interrupted by switch. When I press the switch, circuit completes and relay activates. Now let's look at the power side of the relay. Relay is used to control things that need a lot of power. Using the relay, you can control high power demand appliances with small wires. Here you can see I didn't include fuse. Fuse looks like this, and his only purpose is to cut the power in scenario of short circuit. And fuse should be right after power supply right here. Thank you for watching, hope you liked it. Please subscribe.